None of the photos in the video you've just seen are particularly good, with the possible exception of that one shot down in the water with all the little dead trees sticking out. I kind of like that one. But I didn't go to visit my dad with the express purpose of taking photos. I just took my camera gear along, and if I saw an opportunity, then so be it. But otherwise, the real reason was just to spend some time with my dad and with my son out in nature in one of the most beautiful parts of Australia, the Victorian High Country. Now, I'm lucky that I get to visit my dad because we've assigned each other as our bubble partner during the lockdowns, meaning he can visit me and I can visit him. So we're lucky in that sense. But really, after a couple of days out there in the bush with my camera in hand, which helped me to slow down and see things more intentionally and to appreciate my surroundings more. A couple of days of that with my dad and my son, and I felt fully restored. And I know the coronavirus has been tough on a lot of people, but I really believe that if you can just take the time to go outside, even close to home. I mean, where I am right now, this is 5 minutes from my home, and I know that not everybody has access to bushland like this close to home, but maybe you have a local park, a small stand of trees somewhere, a pond, a walking trail maybe, a bit of beach, something. Whatever it is, if you've got something that's accessible to you at the moment, and if you're in lockdown, that it's something that you can go to legally. Right now our limits have been extended from 5 kilometres to 10 kilometres, which is great, but it's been 5 kilometres for a long time, so I've been limited to where I can go. But if you can go anywhere close to home and just be outside for a while with your camera in hand, you will appreciate your surroundings more, because you'll look at them slower and more intentionally, more deliberately, which I think is one of the greatest benefits of outdoor photography, providing you slow down, try to be present, and really appreciate what you have access to. Because whatever it is that you feel you're lacking, guaranteed there are people out there who would give their eye teeth to have what you already take for granted. Anyway, that's it for another week. Thanks for hanging out with me again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy landscape photography, getting outside, de-stressing, that sort of stuff, then make sure you subscribe. I'd certainly welcome you. And just another little thing before we end, I've got a couple of bits of gear that I don't really need anymore, and I thought of selling them on eBay, but really I'd rather just give them away to you guys, to somebody who needs them. So I've got a GoPro Hero 8 and a GoPro Hero 9, both blacks. Don't remember what bits and pieces are with them. They haven't been used a great deal. But, whatever they come with, they come with. A couple of batteries, I think waterproof case, a couple of mounts, obviously, all that sort of stuff. If you'd like either of those, then just drop me a comment below. Let me know why you'd like them, how you might use them, just whatever's interesting, There's no real rules around this. I just want to share the stuff that I don't need with people who've been good enough to follow me, subscribe, and interact with this very small but growing community of fellow landscape photographers on this channel. So let me know what you think. Let me know which one you'd like, and I'm sure I have some other bits and pieces, but I'll get to those later. Oh yeah, I've got a, the extension pole for the DJI Pocket and Pocket 2. I think it works on both. If you'd like that, let me know. I'll give that away to somebody as well. But anyway, enough waffling from me. Thanks for hanging out with me again, and hopefully I'll see you again next week. Bye for now.